What's up, Odooers, and welcome back. Today we're talking about social marketing, which is exactly what it sounds like. We're going to be using our available social media channels to market to our current and future customers. For today's example, Stealthy Wood needs to clear out its current inventory before our new fall collection drops. So, you know what that means? It's sale time. We want to spread the word about our annual clearance sale, and what's a better way to spread information than, social media? So follow me as I link up our social media accounts to our database and post some teasers for our sale. Let's go. Okay, first things first, I need to link up my last social media account to my database. So here we are in the social marketing app, and this is our dashboard. And on this dashboard, we can see all of the accounts that we already have linked up with our database. And we got some YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram going on right now. However, we are missing our Twitter account, or I guess I'm supposed to call it X nowadays. It'll always be called Twitter to me. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and add that now. So here, I could add that account by simply clicking this Add Stream button here on the upper left-hand corner, which presents me with all of the available streams or social media accounts that I can connect my database to. However, I can also add a stream from my already connected account, as you can see down here. But instead, I'm going to show you another way. So we're going to exit out of this, click configuration, and this time we're going to click social media here at the top. And this is all my available social media accounts that I can link to. Now, you might be asking why YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram have a link account button under them when they're already configured. That's because I can link a new account if I'd like. So we need to add our X account. So I'm just going to click this link account button beneath it. Once I do, I'm prompted to sign in. I've already signed in with our Stealthy Wood account, so just add your social credentials here. But then I'm presented with this information explaining the various permissions, and I'm just going to click Authorize App. Once everything is authorized, we're taken back to the dashboard of our social marketing app. And look at that, we have our Stealthy Wood posts from our X account. Okay, now that we're connected to X, let's post a teaser about our upcoming summer clearance sale. So here on the social media dashboard, I'm just going to click New Post here in the upper left-hand corner. And right off the bat, we can see that our company field is correct. And now I also get to choose where I want these posts to appear. I only want to post on X and Facebook, so I'm going to select X and Facebook. And that's because I'm not posting any images. It's strictly going to be a text. So now in the message field, I'll go ahead and enter my post, which is, we have some surplus furniture on our hands. What should we do about it? As I enter my message, I can see a preview of what it'll look like on the selected platforms here on the right in the post preview section. Here, I can also split per media. Here, I can also split these posts by clicking this Split Per Media button. Now, when I do, I have two different tabs down below created for each individual stream. This could be helpful when you have a lot to say, and of course, some streams have character limits, so you can shorten posts where needed and then add more details on others. For this, I want to add more text to our X post, so I'm going to click into this Twitter tab here. And I'm just going to add the hashtag clearance. There, that looks good. And I'm not attaching any images, so I'm going to skip over this part here. And back at the top area, we have our campaign field, and I'm going to select Summer Clearance 2025. We'll have more on campaigns in another video, so feel free to keep an eye out for that. Then I can decide to post these posts right now, or I can schedule them for later. If I click schedule it for later, I'm able to select a scheduled date. But I want to send these posts out right now, so I'm going to change this back to send now and get that instant gratification. Then when I'm ready, I can just click post in the upper left-hand corner. Now I can see the company and campaign right here. And I can also see that the status of our post has changed to posted. Okay, that's great and all, but I want to see these. So let's go ahead and click feed at the top. Wow, look at that. I can see there's some new content indicated by this new content available banner right here. I'm also prompted to refresh my feed, so I'm just going to click this sync button here at the top. And when I do, I can see my 2 new posts from Facebook and X right there. How cool is that? And that's it for today's tutorial. We learned how to link up our social media accounts to our social marketing app and post it to 2 different social media channels at one time. Stay tuned for more social marketing tutorials where we'll dive into the metrics, campaigns, visitor breakdowns, and more. Until then, I'll see you later, Odooers.